Será que? Aspetta!
Whoa!
Good job.
You are working it, baby. Working
That's
it.
even crazier than the snow on my eye.
There you go.
Oh, Gideon, I didn't mean to put all that snow down your shirt, buddy. It's just good timing.
All right.
Yeah.
Come back around here. All right, now go.
Can you help me do it?
I can't. No.
Mommy's pregnant. The baby might pop out.
Yeah, sure.
Just jump up real fast and hold on.
Ah! I felt a piece of snow on my head.
That's probably where I hit you in the head with a snowball.
No.
Are you going to try it again?
First, I need to put it down there and then put my feet on it.
Oh, is that how it's supposed to work?
That one's just not long enough.
I think what you should do is hold. Come around here. Bring it around here.
He made me drop my stick.
All right, now try to hop on it. All right, just hold on. Just hold on and pick your feet up.
All right, Benaiah, show us how to do it good, buddy.
Here, I'm gonna do it this time.
Watch Benaiah.
Better watch out.
But I doesn't do good either. Yay. That's how you do it, lady.